Hey guys, welcome back to Curls on Demand. I'm your girl, Curly291, and if this is your first time, then welcome to the family. So today I'm going to be doing a video on the second technique of getting knotless braids, and I have 3 techniques up, so you can go ahead and check the first one out, and I'm going to be putting the third one out next week, so you can check that out. I'll put all the links down in the description, so let's get into the video. Okay, so if you watched the first video, I asked you to separate the stretched hair into 2 sections. One section should be noticeably bigger than the other. Yeah, do that again. It will allow your braid, no matter the size, to look even. Now, instead of starting on braided roots, which I did in the first video, I'm gonna start this technique using rubber bands. Next, I will take a crochet pin and pass the pin through the base of my head and under the rubber band vertically, as in from the bottom of the section to the top of the section. Now remember that small section of stretched hair from the beginning of this video? Yeah, place that hair into the pin, lock the pin, and pass it through the section you're working in. See how that runs vertically up and down? That's exactly what you want. Okay, so next, I need you to go ahead and hold the section of hair you just crocheted in with the rest of your hair. And then take the crochet pin again and pass it through the base of the rubber band and under the section horizontally, as in from left to right. Now remember that bigger section of stretched hair from earlier? Well, go ahead and pull that bigger section through the base of the braid using the crochet pin, just like you did with the smaller section. Do you see how that runs horizontally? That's exactly what you're looking for here. Now go ahead and clip the hair out of the way and tighten the rubber band so that you have a tighter base to work with. Next, go ahead and join the smaller portion of the hair that's running vertically with your own hair and use that as the middle strand for the braid. And then use the 2 strands which are running horizontally, meaning to the right and the left of the section, as your second and third strand for the braid. Now all you have to do is braid your hair as you normally would braid your hair. So go ahead and check out the first technique and let me know down in the comments if you would use this technique or the other technique to do your knotless jumbo braids or any type of knotless braids.